Hi friends, hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this dark red eyes paired with a natural looking skin and bushy eyebrows as always. If you want to see how I achieved the look, then keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell as well. Let's head to the look right now. As you can already see, I've done my face. If you want to see how I did my skin and the products I used for that, head to my Instagram channel. I have a short quick video on there which shows the products I used. So first off, I will start off by priming my lids. I've already done that, but because of the talking, my lid is creasing. I'm using the MAC concealer to prep my lid. If you're wondering, the shade is NW45. So I don't want to show you the shades I'll be using. You can take the ones that you have. I want you guys to also try your hands on them with your own eyeshadow palettes that you have at home. So you just need a brown color for your crease. So get a transition color and put that in your crease. Now that we have that in our crease, I'm going to take a red eyeshadow. Yes, red. Put that over my crease. I'm going right on top of that brown, just a little bit above it. I'm bringing that red inward. I'm going to take a brown liner. This one is a gel liner. It's a dark brown gel liner. I'm using that in my crease. And then I'm just blending that out. And I'm leaving this area, as you can see. I've left this area because I'm going to put the red back there. So I'm taking a brown color and I'm the one I use for my crease, and I'm setting this dark brown liner. So you can use a darker brown, or you can use the same transition color you use, because it's already dark, so you just need something to set it. So any brown to set it will do. Now I'm going back into the red and I'm going to put that on my lid like this. I'm putting it a little bit all over the dark brown so it just blends in a little bit more. I want that red to pop a little bit on the outside. So I'm taking a clean brush and picking up that same red. I'm putting that at the edges. So I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. Let me put that red first. And I'm going back into the dark brown, the gel liner. And I'm going to smash that on my, just right below my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to do my mascara and put on my lashes. So for my lashes, I'm using this lash, Slash Beauty. The front is really light and it gets fuller towards the end. Okay, now that our lashes are in place, I love how the lashes look. It looks so nice. Like, it looks really nice. I'm shocked. Okay, I'm going to now highlight my face. I'll be taking the Becca Cosmetics X Jaclyn Hill highlighter. And now my lip. I'm going to take this pencil, brown pencil, and then line my lip. I'm going over the top of my lip just a little bit. And then I'm taking a clear gloss. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick eye tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, comment. I'll see you. Bye.